How to scan with Canon PIXMA using Canon IJ Scan Utility. Step 1. Install Canon IJ Scan Utility. Visit hw.canon.com/IJ setup. Enter your model, e.g. PIXMA TR4720, and choose your operating system. Download and install the IJ Scan Utility under the Software section. Step 2. Prepare your printer. Turn on your Canon PIXMA printer. Place your document or photo face down on the scanner glass. Align it with the corner guides. Step 3. Open Canon IJ Scan Utility Windows. Click Start, Canon Utilities, IJ Scan Utility. Mac, go to Applications, Canon Utilities, IJ Scan Utility. Step 4. Choose a scan option. You'll see several scan buttons. Choose the one that matches your need. Button purpose. Auto detects and scans to default settings. Document scans documents, e.g. text forms, to PDF. Photo scans photos in high quality. Custom lets you manually adjust settings, e.g. DPI format. Step 5. Click to scan. Click the button Document, Photo, or Auto. The scan will start. Wait for it to finish. Step 6. Save or view the scan. After scanning, a folder window will open showing your scanned image. By default, files are saved in Pictures, IJ Scan Utility, Windows, or Pictures Canon IJ Scan Utility, Mac. You can change the save location or file format in Settings. Optional, adjust settings before scanning. Click Settings in IJ Scan Utility. Adjust resolution, E300 DPI for documents, 600 plus for photos. File format, PDF, JPEG, PNG. Save folder, color mode, color, grayscale, B&W. Troubleshooting tips. Scanner not found. Make sure the printer is on and connected, USB or Wi-Fi. Restart your PC and printer. Ensure IJ Scan Utility and drivers are installed correctly. Blurry or crooked scans, clean the scanner glass. Realign the document properly. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.